I can teach you how to make this hyperlinked dream planner for yourself or for sale. Learn how to create a hyperlinked digital planner for free using Canva, and this will help you keep organized, reach your goal, and also generate a passive source of income for you in this 2025. If this is something you are interested in, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share. Go to Canva, click on create a design, then click on custom size. Change the pixel to inches, this is very important. Then for width type 9.5 and height 11, click create a design. Go to elements and choose this shape. Change the color of your shape to blue, then adjust it. Return back to elements now and type binder. I like this pink binder, so I'm just going to choose it and adjust it. Next, go to elements and bring back this square. Then go adjust it, go to corner rounding, reduce the corner rounding, then paste it here to serve as the tab. I'm going to now duplicate it till the end of this page like this. You can see I'm just going to duplicate it. Next, I'm going to go ahead, bring in a text and type in January. I'm just going to short it to Jan, adjust it and place it on my first tab like this. Then I'm going to duplicate it and paste it throughout all of the tabs to represent January to December. Next, I'm just going, after pasting January throughout the tabs, I'm going to go to the second tab and change it to February. Then change the third one to March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, then December. I'm going to go to the first page and duplicate this page till I have 13 pages. So I'm just going to duplicate till I have 13 pages. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and name my first page. I haven't done all of this. Go to my first page and name it cover page. Then name the second page January, February, March, April, May, June, July, I think I'm faster, August, September, October. This is so that I can link all the pages of the month in the cover page. So scroll back to the cover page, right click on the January tab, then link it to January. Do the same for February, right click and link to February. March, right click and link to March. Right click on April and link to April. Right click on May and link to May. Right click on June and link to June. Right click on July, link to July. Right click on August and link to August. Right click on September and link to September. Right click on October and link to October. Right click on November, and then finally December. Now pay attention to this step. I'm going to go ahead and group my tabs and my months together so that it becomes one. So you can see they are now one. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of these ones, the tabs that I have for the other pages. I'm going to go ahead to remove the tabs and the months, and then copy and paste the one I grouped in the cover page and bring it to these remaining pages. Just watch and see. So I'm going to go back to this one and copy it, come back to the January page and paste it. Just Ctrl V and to paste. So I'm just going to do the same for February, remove the tab and the month. That is because the month on the cover page is hyperlinked and this one is not hyperlinked. So I'm just going to do that for February and also go ahead and do that again for May and all the other months. That is because, do not forget, they are not hyperlinked and we want our dream planner to be hyperlinked. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste for March. I'm going to do the same for April, You know, I copied it from the cover page, the hyperlinked one, the hyperlinked tabs and months. I copied it from the cover page, so I'm pasting it on these other pages that are not hyperlinked. So I'm just going to Ctrl V to paste, and now I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it so that we can save time. So I'm going to go ahead and design my cover page. Go to Element and bring this square shape, adjust it, then go ahead to Element again and type in black and white for leaf. Go to graphics and I'll choose this one, adjust it and paste it here. Then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate it. Go to flip it horizontal. Next I'm going to go to text and bring a heading, type in Dream Planner. Then go to fonts and change the font to Oleo Script. Adjust it and paste it on this shape I brought. Next, I'm going to change the color of my text to white. Go to upload and bring in this image that I have. Next, I'm going to remove the background of the image and then adjust it like this. I think I like it. I'm going to go to the second page, which is the January page. Then I'm going to change the color to white, change the color of the page to white. Then I'm going to go to Element and type in table, bring in this table, then adjust it. Okay, adjust it some more. And I'm going to go to Element now and type in bullet journal arrow. Then go to graphics and choose this pink arrow, place it in front of the table like this, then increase the size. Next, I'm going to go to text and bring in a heading, then type in January in capital letter. Go to font and change the font to bright retro. I don't like this. I'll change it to this other one, bright sunshine. I think I like this one better. I'm going to paste it on the arrow for design, then reduce the font size of January. I'm just going to reduce it a bit more. I think I like it like this. Next, I'm going to go to Element again and type in bullet journal. Here I'm going to search for a box where I can do a to-do list. I can write a to-do list rather. I think I like this one. I'm going to paste it at the bottom of my table like this, then adjust it. I'm just going to adjust it. I'm also going to go back to Element and type in bullet journal. Now I'm looking for a space for notes, like lines for notes. So I'm just going to search it, a plain black line for notes, similar to this one but without the border. So I'm just going to go ahead and search for it. Okay, so I'm just going to keep searching. I'm going to click on to-do list to see if I can see something here for it. It is similar to this one, so I'm just going to click on these three dots and search see more like this to see if okay, I've seen it. This one is a plain line that I want to use for notes, so I'm just going to choose it and I'm going to adjust this other one. Then I'm going to adjust it to do some more adjustments so that it fits. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and go to text, then add a heading. Then I'm going to write Monday, paste it in front of my table like this, because this planner is actually for my is a planner to help me stay focused for my YouTube channel. So assuming I'm going to post Mondays, Wednesdays, and let's say Saturdays. So I have them like that for 4 weeks of the month. So I'm just going to duplicate this Saturday and write to-do list here for this bullet point. Then I'm going to duplicate the to-do list and type in notes for this other place where I want to write notes about my thoughts for my channel for the month. To-do list will remind me to do my thumbnail, research and other things. So I'm just going to copy this and go back to February, change the color, then paste it, Ctrl V to paste it. I'll click on the binder because it's backward, then go to position and bring the binder forward, as you can see, then change the January to February. Very easy to do. I'm just going to change the January to February. Then I'm also going to go to March, change the color to white, then Ctrl V to paste. Do the same, change the bring the binder forward, then change the month to March. Tab for March is backward, so I'm going to change it, just bring it forward. Then I'm going to do the same for April, change the color to white, Ctrl V to paste, click on the binder to bring it forward, then change the month to April, then click on my tabs to bring it forward too. Then I'm also going to go to May, change the color to white, Ctrl V to paste, bring the binder forward, then change the month to May. Do the same for the tabs, bring it forward, go to June, change the color to white, Ctrl V to paste, bring the binder forward, click on position to bring it forward, change the month to June, bring the tabs forward too, just click on position to do that. Do the same for July. Now I'm going to fast forward it in order to save time. Now I've completed all from January to December, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and download it now. You can see that's all been completed. So I'm just going to click on share, then download. Make sure you click on PDF print, then click on download. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.